Are you looking how to import photos from your Instagram profile directly to your Wix website? In this video, I'll show you how that can be done. If you find this video helpful, if you go down below and drop us a like, and also considering subscribing to the channel to help you take your business to the next level. And without further ado, let's jump into the laptop and show you how it's done. So here we are inside our Wix editor. For this tutorial, I'm going to be using my personal website, which is davidwainwright.co.uk. What you want to do is come over to the Add Elements button in the top left, drop down to Images, click on Upload Images, and then you'll get this couple of icons down the left hand side. The normal way to upload a photo would just be to upload it from the computer, but we're going to go ahead and upload it straight from our Instagram account. So you want to click down to Instagram, connect your Instagram. You'll need to log into your Instagram on your web browser. However, if you've already done that, you will go straight to this page where it says where Instagram will ask you if you'll allow Wix to connect with your Instagram. You want to go ahead and click allow. It will then bring you straight back over to Wix and with all the photos from your Instagram account that you can upload to your Wix. So click on any one you fancy. Once it's finished uploading, you can then just go add to page and it will appear on your Wix website. As simple as that. So I hope you found that quick video helpful on how to import photos from your Instagram to your website. If you found this video helpful, please can you go down below and drop us a like, and also considering subscribing as we help you take your business to the next level. And with all that being said, thanks for watching and I'll catch you on the next video. Bye for now.